Welcome to the project demonstration of wireless power transmission for electric vehicle with charge control and voltage display. So in this project the component we are using, this one is a transmitting section and this one is a receiving section. So in the transmitting section we are using 12012 3 amperes transformer and KBL10, and we are using 7805 regulator to give the power supply for the Arduino Nano, and we are using MOSFET. And coming to the receiving section, and transmitting coil. And coming to the receiving section, so we are using 4 DC motors and copper coil of receiver, and we are using charging circuit, voltage sensor for the receiving coil, LCD display, relay, PIC microcontroller, and 12 volts 1 ampere battery. And here you can see this one is the battery voltage sensor. So now to charge the batteries we are using two steps. First one is the power transmission, wireless power transmission, and second one is the step down transformer. So here you can see this one we are using. First, the main purpose to charge the batteries is the wireless power transmission, and the second step we are using here step down transformer. So the step down transformer will take 230 volts and provide us 12 volts. This one is the 1 ampere step down transformer. So on the power supply for the step down transformer. So here you can see we are writing T. Just remove the receiving coil and put the step down transformer here. So here you can see the light indication. So this relays will switch off the power supply to pass the batteries. Instead of that, just on the power supply. So here you can see welcome to the project display. So just remove the battery voltage sensor, then the relay gets on. From this relay the battery will charge. So whenever the battery is the sufficient charge, then the relay gets switched off automatically. So when the battery voltage is low, then the relay gets switched on automatically. So now as of now the relay gets switched on. So now the battery voltage is 0, so that's why the relay gets switched on. So when I put the battery here in the voltage sensor, then here you can see battery voltage is 13.37, then the relay switched off automatically. So whenever the sufficient charge in the battery, the relay gets switched off automatically. And keep the charge while we use or not use, keep the battery for charging and minimum of 6 to 8 hours. After that, just remove the step down transformer, and here on the plug in the receiving coil plug. So as of now here you can see receiving voltage is 0. So to move the motors we are using 2 buttons. So backward, forward, right, left direction. So like this we can move the vehicle. So and next on the transmitting power supply. So coming to the transmitting power supply, so the step down transformer 12012 3 ampere step down transformer. From this 3 ampere step down transformer we are giving to KBL10. So the KBL10 will take 12 volts and provide 12 volts of AC and this KBL10 provide 12 volts of DC. From this 12 volts of DC we are giving to 7805 voltage regulator. From this voltage regulator the Arduino Nano gets power supply, and from here KBL10 the 12 volts of power supply will goes to the MOSFET driver. So this MOSFET driver is mainly used to produce the EMF in the transmitting coil. From this EMF then it will go to the receiving coil, and then the battery gets charged. So here on the power supply for the transmitting coil, so here in the light indication the transmitting power supply is on. So whenever the receiving coil reaches to the transmitting coil, then here you can see the full light indication. So in the LCD display also you can see the voltage of the receiving coil. So whenever the receiving coil moves, then here you can see the receiving voltage, and here the light indication gets off. So whenever it goes to the transmitting coil, then here you can see the full light indication. So like this project will be work. Thanks for watching.